Hi, it's Nick Jervis from the More Clients Academy. If you've seen the video where I show you how to set up an experiment in the Google Ads Blueprint section, mentoring section, then you'll notice I talked about if you don't have conversion tracking working, then you won't be able to record, you won't be able to use the bidding that maximizes conversions. Now, I'm always wary of that, which is why I always say run an experiment if you're not sure about anything and see which process works, which is why I say test maximum clicks versus maximum conversions. But you should still get your conversion working so you get a better idea of what's going on. Jason said, how do we do that? So to set up conversions, you go to Tools and Settings, Conversions, and then add a new conversion action. What we're looking for is something on our website. We want someone to complete a booking. So it's going to be a lead form. We're going to call it Book an Appointment. Always time slower. I don't bother putting a tracking amount in there. Put it that you'll track through for 30 days. Last click or position based doesn't really make a great deal of difference. I would say you only count one. That's an important thing to change. Otherwise, if someone fills in a form 2-3 times, you count it several times, but you don't want that. So let's create and continue. And then the next step is just installing it. If you have someone that does it for you, you can email it. You can use Google Tag Manager. I tend to do it this way, which is you make sure this code is in the header section of your website. If you've got WordPress as your content management system, use the plugin insert headers and footers, and you literally copy that paste into the header section of that, and that will work for you. Then the important part is to put the code onto the page which tracks an appointment. So if I copy that, in Jason's case, what that would be happen if we go here and say book an appointment, first thing I noticed, that actually opened up a new tab for me, which it shouldn't do, so I changed that so it doesn't open blank. And then we choose where we're going to book. Let's go initial assessment, and the point here is I choose my time, choose my location. You might want to, the software you're using there, Jason, I'd probably restrict the amount of appointments it's showing. You can change the settings. Is this Calendly or Acuity? You can change your settings so it only shows a few appointments, just so it makes you look busier on a certain day, which is always good. But when you actually get through to the booking page, so it's going to take me through all this, so I'm not going to go through that one, but whenever the page is where I finally finished, it says thank you for confirming your appointment. That is the page that you just go into your editor and copy that into the text view of your page. Copy that code there onto that page, and so whenever someone's gone through that process, Google will say you've had a conversion, they came in under this keyword and they booked with you and landed up on the page that said booking confirmed. If there's a contact form on the site, let's have a look and see if there is. Again, it's opened a new tab, don't want to do that. If I fill in this page, what I want this to do is redirect me, so let's see if it is. Testing, does this form redirect? And then if I submit this, what I want to do is see it go to a thank you page, but it doesn't. It does this, which is one of my pet bugbears. If you're using Contact Form 7, all you need to do is download the app Contact Form 7 Redirection, and then when you go into your contact form, when you go to other settings, you can put redirect to a thank you page, and that page should go to something like, let me move it up here, contact us, so it will go to /thank you. I bet you've already got a page on there that says that because you did have conversion tracking working. No, you haven't. So create a page, thank you. Create another conversion tracking called contact completion, and go through the same process and add that, and you'll be away with your tracking. The only thing I'd always say on the contact us page, I prefer a contact us page not to have a form on. You can have a form as well, but I prefer a free inquiry page which is just on its own, so it's not got the distractions of the map, different maps, all that other information. It's just a free inquiry form, and people are often happier making free inquiries than making contact us and submit on a button. I'd always have send, because when I've tested it, it gets you more clicks. Hopefully that helps you, and you can get your conversion tracking set up now, Jason, and then your conversion v max clicks experiment will have a little more interest for you. Hopefully that's helpful for you all.